Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time we are doing a epic road trip from Bangalore to popular hill station in Karnataka with my travel buddy Numa. So fasten your seatbelt and let's go. Welcome to land of coffee.
Chickmagalur coffee city.
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Chickmagaluru, if I break it down, it's Chickmagaluru, which meaning small daughter's place. So basically, a king gifted this place to his daughter. So Chickmagaluru is Chickmagaluru and not Chikkamangaluru.
It's a beautiful hill station which is an easy getaway from Bangalore, and it is nested in between like Sahyadri range in the Western Ghats. We are staying in this beautiful homestay called Villa Vibes. This villa is surrounded with coffee and spice plantation. This villa is reasonable and quite near to the town. I have updated a link in the description box, so please do check it out and let me know in the comment section if you need any further information. Hello. Now we are about to climb a highest peak in Karnataka, which is Mullayanagiri. Come, let's see how it's gonna be. There are around 450 steps to reach the top. The path is lined with bushes and trees. Once you reach the top, you can see the whole Western Ghats from this temple. Since this is a monsoon time, the place is covered with mist. The cold wind will smack your face. Feel the chill in the air. Going back from Mullayanagiri peak to the town, we spot this amazing lake here, which is called Hirekolale lake. The fun fact is this is a man-made lake which is built to supply the water to Chickmagalur town. It's undoubtedly the scenic and favorite spot among the localites. Evening, we took a stroll in a MG road, bagged some coffee powder, sipped some strong filter coffee. Welcome to World of Coffee. Later, we bumped into this fancy coffee shop. Ended our first day by sipping some hot chocolate and munching nachos. Am I in the frame?
Yeah.